fix memory management blue screen error in Windows 11. 1. Run the Memory Diagnostic Tool or MEM Test 86. 2. Check for Windows updates. 3. Check for potential driver issues. Update them using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run a SFC scan, SFC/scano, as administration 5. Run a chkdsk. Scan, chkdsk/r, as admin. 6. Reset your PC. 7. Other tips are, restart your PC. Check newly installed software and hardware. Scan for possible virus infection using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Run your Windows computer in its safe mode. Clean your PC and reset. Your RAM. Examine your motherboard for potential damage.